2210 Patisserie was set up by Una Leonard in 2014. She started off as a small bakery doing custom cakes, and then she established an online business where she dispatches to all 32 counties in Ireland. We have our flagship store in Mullingar, and we also have a second store in Powerscourt in Dublin city centre. I work for Westmeath Community Development on the Leader programme, and we supported 2210 Patisserie for the expansion of their facility. We funded a fully equipped kitchen and gluten-free kitchen to support their customised cake, their online dispatch and artisan bread baking, which they hope to increase their product sales.